Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best solar generator kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best solar generator kits. Starting at number 5, we have the Monerator Gusto Portable Solar Generator Kit. Enjoy reliable and cheap power anywhere with this Monerator Portable Solar Generator Kit. It is a full generator kit consisting of all the essentials from the solar panel, inverter, battery among others. It is a lightweight kit which can be used outdoors when camping and other activities. The portability is enhanced by the LiFePO4 battery, which is lighter than lead-acid batteries. Also, the battery is safe and won't risk explosions and fires like other Li-ion-based batteries. Now, when it comes to charging, the generator has an inbuilt inverter and charge controller. Therefore, it is possible to get either AC/DC power just by plugging the plug into your desired outlet. The USB ports also enable easy phone charging. The compact solar panel has a 10W rating and is highly portable. Above all, the generator is compatible with the wall socket and car plug for recharging. Moving on at number 4. We have the Renogy Fenix Portable Generator All-in-One Solar Kit. Forget about the large solar generators which restrict portability. The Renogy Fenix Portable Solar Kit is one which will suit all your power need. Whether it is during emergencies or going outdoors, you can move the whole unit. The kit is designed featuring an inbuilt monocrystalline 20W solar panel. Furthermore, the kit is expandable to 20 watt. Boasting a briefcase design, mobility is superb and gives you the freedom to carry it everywhere. Now, instead of buying different accessories, the Renogy all-in-one solar kit has eased all that. The built pure sine line inverter enables the generator to deliver either AC or DC. Therefore, powering your appliances is just straightforward. Apart from being rechargeable via solar panel, it is also compatible with AC and car cigar port. Also, the Li-ion battery is replicable, hence possible to keep the generator perfuming excellently. The LED readout allows efficient powering monitoring. At number 3, we have the ecoworthy 300W Polycrystalline Off-Grid Solar Panel Kit. The ecoworthy solar kit is an excellent alternative to the gas generator in case of blackouts. The system is designed to keep all your small home appliances powered and also lighting during the emergency situations. Enjoying 2 high-power 300 watts polycrystalline solar cells, the B ensures that you charge your batteries within a short period. Unlike other modules, these are durable with a guarantee of 25 years of exceptional performance. Having this kit is easy to use, bearing in mind that it comes with all components needed for connectivity. Charging is eased due to the incorporation of 20 and auto switch intelligent LCD switch charge controller. As a result, it allows you to charge 12 and 24 volts batteries without risking damaging them. Besides, the kit comes with connection cables such as MC4 with the connector, and a mounting kit. The solar modules are reinforced with a rust-proof aluminum frame, thus perfect for outdoor use. At number 2, we have the HQST 100 watt 12 volts monocrystalline solar panel kit. Having a backup solar kit is essential as it saves you during power outages or when going outdoors. Now, the HQST 100W solar kit is a choice for everyone. It is easy to use the system, which is easy to install in your home. Consequently, whether you are used to solar energy or a newcomer, the kit is best suited for you. The system comes with necessary components like a heavy-duty monocrystalline solar panel capable of charging your 12 volts generator to power your home appliances. The module has a high efficiency of up to 15.14%. There is no hassle when you acquire this kit. It comes with other essentials which allow you to use it immediately. The charge controller with an LCD charge controller, there is no more guesswork when charging. Also, the pair of adapter cables is ideal for connecting the solar panel to the battery. This system delivers 500 watt-hours per day, meaning it can comfortably charge 50Ah battery within a few hours. And finally at number 1, we have the Goal Zero Yeti 400 Solar Generator Kit. Get away from those noisy and polluting gas generators. With the Goal Zero Yeti 400 Solar Generator Kit, all your power demand when you are off-grid are catered for. It is a highly flexible system which is ideal for houses, camps, and cabins. It powers all light gadgets in the house for an extended period without posing risks of fumes and noise. To facilitate this, the generator has an inbuilt inverter which gives you the freedom to use AC or DC outlets. Despite this solar kit delivering high power, it is highly mobile. The equipped 20 solar modules are foldable into a briefcase design, and the integrated handles promote the ease of carrying. Therefore, when planning your next camping trip, this is a significant consideration, and also for emergency situations. The generator incorporates a charging port and battery display, meaning you can use it after buying it. No more buying generator kits separately. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.